Hey guys, Chris from ProvoBeast Audio Installation, and today we're doing an unboxing of this Crux wiring harness adapter. It's the SWRGM-48 for specific GM vehicles. Now, this wiring harness adapter is pretty cool for 2000 up vehicles because it retains basic radio functions, steering wheel controls, Onstar, Bose amp, etc. Now, looking back here, some of the different vehicles that this does support. We're going to go ahead and post in the description all these makes and models, just in case you're interested in picking these up for yourself. Again, some of the big things to remember: it does retain Bose and steering wheel controls, which is super important for our install. So go ahead and check out cruxinterfacing.com for more information. We'll throw a link down in the description in case you want to pick one of these up for yourself. Let's get this unboxed. This video is sponsored by Crux Interfacing Solutions, an excellent location for radio replacements, camera interfaces, and more. Check out cruxinterfacing.com to start planning your next install today. Now, what's awesome about this kit as we get it pulled apart, it comes with the main brain box, which allows you to retain those steering wheel controls and Bose amp, as well as provide the accessory and dimmer and all the other elements that are usually carried over the CAN bus. It additionally comes with an antenna adapter, which is pretty cool, so you don't have to pick one up separately. And finally is your main wiring harness here. So within the main harness, this end plugs into the factory plug back behind the radio, which is pretty cool. Just plug and play. This end is your speaker output from the module, which essentially allows you to indicate whether it's going to be a Bose radio or non-Bose radio, so this adapter works for both. This end goes into this port here. Now, these bare wires here are essentially what you'll wire into your chosen aftermarket radio's wiring harness. They're all color coded, so basically you match color for color. Now, if there are any that aren't color coded, they are indicated with these little tags. Finally, here we have the instructions. Now, these are super important for you to review before you start any installation because it gives you specifically product features here, such as how it retains the chime and steering wheel controls and the Bose amp and anything else that you may have equipped in the vehicle. Shows you everything it comes with, even allows you to identify which each of the colors correspond to on your harness here, and allows you to see a visual diagram of how everything will connect. Now, again, remember it's based on Bose or non-Bose, so there's specific things that you need to worry about, especially with setting your dip switches to indicate how the pre-programmed steering wheel control feature will work with your vehicle. Now, this has a diagram down below so you can check to see how to set those dip switches to make it work for your chosen installation. Now, down here you also have an indication on how to set up Bose or non-Bose based on the factory audio system in your vehicle. Now, finally here you have a little bit of information on the steering wheel control functionality based on 4-button or 8-button layouts based on your vehicle. Last thing here, we have 2 harnesses for our steering wheel controls. These will be plugged into the WR input on the back of the radio. Now, depending on which type of radio you're installing will differ on which harness that you use. Usually this one will be with Pioneers and Sonys. This one's going to be with Alpines and Clarions and other ones. And then if you have a Kenwood or JVC, you'll actually use the wire instead of this input. Now, this does look like an aux jack, but it isn't one. It's for steering wheel control, so don't get that confused. Now, if you want more information on this, again, check out Crux's website. We'll post a link in the description for your convenience. Additionally, if you want to see this harness in action, we'll have a video which walks you through step by step on how we got this all soldered up and installed in a GMC Sierra. Also, if you want other great information regarding on how wiring harnesses are soldered or connected, or just how to in general with wiring up a new radio, we'll have another video carded up above and linked down in the description for your convenience. Well, that's about all we had for this unboxing here today. If you have any questions on what we did here, post a comment below. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.